My name is Ariel Johnson, and I'm a senior at Green Street Academy. I'm from Baltimore City, West Part. It's kind of dangerous, but just gotta live through it, I guess. The stores that's closest, like convenience stores and stuff, they don't really have like fresh vegetables, fruits. They sell a lot of junk food, easy food that you can like put in the microwave.
You can go to a corner store. It's one like in every community, 0.1 mile, but for a grocery store, you gotta walk or catch a bus to.
So it's kind of difficult for us to get fresh fruits and vegetables, so.
We're no longer using the terminology food deserts. We were using that. We're using the terminology healthy food priority area. So the definition is really looking at, can you get to a store easily, meaning is it a quarter mile or less, meaning walkability? Looking at, are you low income? Looking at vehicle availability, and then really importantly, what is in those stores? Green Street Academy is Council District 9, and it's close to 56% of the residents are living in healthy food priority areas. It is the highest of all 14 districts.
Okay, so let's sit around here because I'm going to show you kind of what we're going to make. So I have 5 different recipes of stuff that we can make. And so what I'm going to say is make the recipes that we have here. So like one is like a basil one is a kale one is cilantro, based on like what stuff we are growing in food computers.
Food computer is like an indoor mini grocery store, basically. You can grow fruits and vegetables, herbs, anything you want.
It's powered by Raspberry Pi, which is a very small computer system.
It's essentially a tabletop greenhouse that's climate controlled with computer programming and robotics. I run the food computer program at Green Street Academy. One of the things that I want to help kind of talk through in this class and help students think through is how could we build sustainable solutions? And so they kind of came up with this idea where they start to train people on like what agriculture technology is. And the fun part of it is to grow something and then like cook with it afterwards. We planted in our food computer room in the basement, and stuff started growing, and we had like basil and cilantro and peas. And all of a sudden these peas started just like taking over the food computer room. And every week we'd go downstairs and be like, oh my God, like we have to do something about this. One of the students was like, why don't we sell this? And I'm like, yeah, why don't we? Like, why don't we start a business?
This one tastes better.
After our product have grown, we cook. I like the cooking part.
Students will be running a pop-up restaurant at this food hall called Our House.
Our house is like a food court for startup businesses.
We're gonna be selling grilled cheese sandwiches, paninis, soups.
So we made like sauce so that people can have with their sandwich.
We know that kids who grow food or kids who are involved in whether it's growing or cooking some experiential version of food, then they will start to get the understanding of how food impacts their health. We need to be connected to our food supply. We can't feed our way out of this problem, meaning that we can't just grow enough food and it's going to be solved. There has to be a system that supports it. So we want to see really great innovative programs in community where communities are being able to grow their own food, or for youth to be able to build their own food computer.
Open source really help integrate this new technology and help integrate current things in education. I think a long-term solution for this to be like really integrated into the traditional classroom.
I kind of want my community to truly change about the way they eat and like the way that we live. Basically, this is all we know.
This class actually made me want to go to a culinary school. I want to have my own restaurant in Baltimore. This class is basically a head start.
I hope my students kind of take everything that they've learned in this class and use that to their advantage in making whatever they do in the future successful.